How to upload fonts to Canva. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your Canva application. Now simply head over to the left hand corner of the screen and go over to brands and tap on it. Now guys, you want to scroll down a bit, go ahead and click on brand kits. You want to click on that. Now you want to simply head over to font by scrolling down. Now head over to where you see add new and tap on it. Now we're going to go over to where you see upload a font. You want to tap on it. Now you want to go ahead and tap on choose a file. Then I'll simply just go to the location of the file where I downloaded the font. I'll head over there and then I'm going to be clicking on the font that I just downloaded. After tapping on it, mine has both the dark and the light, so I'll just choose one, then I'll tap on open. Now it's asking you to confirm. You want to click on yes, upload away, and allow this upload to your font. And guys, this is exactly how to upload fonts to Canva. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I will see you in my next video. Bye.